Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making the path for backlinks obvious. First, enable pretty permalinks and SSL so links resolve cleanly. This prevents 404s and mixed content errors. Once done, pick 3-5 pages you want to boost and draft short anchor text phrases that match user intent. Install an SEO plugin like Yoast or Rank Math to manage link previews and canonical tags. This helps search engines understand which page the backlink should credit. Now you're ready to place your first links. You'll now build links that carry authority. In post content, insert contextual anchor text that reads naturally. Vary exact match and branded anchors so your profile looks organic. When editing, make internal links first to funnel page rank and set rel equals nofollow on low value or sponsored external links. For external backlinks, reach out with a concise pitch offering a guest post or a useful resource like an infographic. Make sure to track where links are placed and note dates so you can follow up if needed. You finish by validating and monitoring impact. Submit the URL with the new backlink to Google Search Console for faster indexing. This helps search engines discover the connection. Then check referral traffic and link status monthly using a link auditor or analytics tool to spot drops or removals. If a backlink breaks or points to the wrong page, update the anchor, ask the source to correct it, or create a 301 redirect to preserve link equity. If you hit an error, first confirm URL and permissions before deep.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.